Everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Shobha Nikam and you are learning with me. In this video, I'll talk about key elements of optical fiber communication system. So, when we are talking about communication system means we send information from one place to another place. That information can be audio, it can be video, it can be simple data, any information we can send. So what we need is source, we need a receiver, so transmitter, receiver, and to connect two of them we need a channel. In optical fiber communication system, our channel is optical fiber or optical fiber cable. Then we are sending our information in optical form, in the form of light signal. So our sources are LEDs, light emitting diodes, or lasers. So let's discuss key elements of optical fiber communication system. This topic is quite important. In exam question can be write a short note or brief about key elements of optical fiber communication system. See, all our devices works on electrical signal, our mobile phone, our computer, our laptops, any device. So, input signal is electrical signal. Then our transmitter comes. We are applying our signal to transmitter. Transmitter here is a light source because we are sending our information on light. The need of optical fiber communication, their advantages, I have prepared separate video for it and the link is given in the description box. Please watch it. So our light source can be either LED, light emitting diode, or it can be laser. So to drive that LED or laser, we need a drive circuitry. So this dotted rectangle indicates transmitter. So transmitter in simple words can be LED or laser. Then comes connector. So connector is used. See, this thick line indicates signal is in electrical form and this line indicates signal is in optical form, in the form of light. This connector is used to connect cable to our LED or light source. Then we use optical fibers or optical fiber cables for long distance communication, and it is not possible to create or fabricate the such cable. So what we need to do is we need to connect different cables together, and for connection of different cables together to increase length of the cable, we use optical splices. So this is our optical splice. Connector is used to connect cable with source. Then splice is used to connect cables together. Then comes optical coupler. Here in this diagram, I have taken this diagram from Kaiser book. So in this diagram, all the elements which are required for fabrication of optical fiber communication system or for implementation of optical fiber communication system are given. Then comes optical coupler or beam splitter. So there are different types of couplers available, like 2 by 2 coupler. So here this coupler is used to send some part of the information to some other equipment. So here you can see input is only one optical fiber cable, but at the output you can see two different cables. So first was source. Source converted our electrical signal into optical signal. Then that signal was sent on the optical fiber. To increase length of that optical fiber, splices are used. Now next, we use optical fiber for connecting different countries or for submarine communication. What happens? See, here attenuation is less as compared to electrical communication, but attenuation is present. It is very, very less as compared to electrical communication. So because of that attenuation, because of dispersion losses, because of modal dispersion, and other losses. Because of all those losses, the signal level degrades, and to increase that degraded signal level, we need to regenerate our signal. So we use regenerator. So what it has, this is again a connector, optical receiver. This receiver will convert our optical signal into electrical. Here you can see again thick line. Here comes electronic circuitry. It means it regenerates our signal, or in simple words, it amplifies the amplitude of our signal. After that, there comes optical transmitter. After amplification, again we send it for further communication. Then comes again connector for connection of this circuitry with the cable. Then comes splice to increase the length. Then optical amplifier in between to increase the amplitude or to boost the amplitude of our signal. And then comes receiver. Now, in receiver, we need a circuitry which will convert our optical signal into electrical signal. So, here again we have connector. Remember, whichever devices we are using here, connectors, splices, couplers, all those devices adds losses. Then this is our receiver. So what it has? Photo detector. So in photo detector, we can either use avalanche photo diode, APD, avalanche photo diode, or we can use pin diode, PIN. Intrinsic layer is present between PN junction diode. So photo detector, after that there is an amplifier to amplify the signal level. Signal restorer, error correction is there. It restores the signal and then it goes to the output devices. So these are the key elements. So basic elements are three: transmitter, receiver, and cable in between transmitter and receiver. And then connectors comes, then in transmitter LED or laser comes, in receiver avalanche photodiode or pin photodiode comes, which converts optical information into electrical information. During transmission, signal level degrades, attenuates, and for that we need to amplify it. So regenerators are used. So if you found this video useful, do like it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.